Hello guys, Misama Akwaba Eba Fufu TV. So of course within the Kwame Chumisi. In a video we will share 10 products as mini importers. Into 10 products as mini importers. You be to me at all every China. Aba Ghana. Now you turn during the Christmas season. Muamunim say sometimes during the whole year, no, as mini importers, things can be a bit slow. Until most times, the best time we can cash out a little bit is during the festive season, which is Christmas. Why am I making this video? More when him say August baby, and then me a video the 22nd of August 2026 into September, October, November, December. Any smart mini importer will start buying their Christmas products now. I hope person nyema ebedru in term emau so they be to me with no wahala. This is the time. Ayereswa within September there. Or say with to me at all your Christmas goods. Now diama your what do you call it? You find it so we use Fofoofo importer. Diama Fofoofo import and now your freight forwarder with shipping company. Now shipping company now then I ship it abroad in Ghana on time. Cause it drew festive season. China is choked. It drew Ghana so a lot of wahala. Into one shot, Ubeton Yamanokra, na Christmas a trim. Christmas to trim so a month with your music AV. Into Ukasa O Ton Yamana and Shoba Boka. Into this is the time you need to start buying your Christmas products. We share 10 products will be to me afa from China to Ghana. There are a lot of products you can sell and make money during the Christmas season, but with this 10 products now, me buy and then the last year, you said most of our customers were buying. Yes, so we have a Fofoofo imports. Yeah, the amount for nyama back from China to Ghana. Hence, that's why I know say this sort of products, then during Christmas. And our product ways, nibo and sheda nya diya hibia esa. When it comes to winning products during Christmas, apart from certain tardier, any bags, any shoes, any heels, any ladies' bags, no kika one amount for tono. And also apart from food, say a mobile bedding and guambo bedding, no a kika kika hono. These are little things. Even say we get tray and sheda and subiana, so you'll be able to buy from China, ship it to Ghana, and sell for profit. Make us happy, I'll jump on the screen and share these 10 products with you guys. If this is the first time you're coming on Fofoofo TV, Mawakwaba, if you are looking for a trusted shipping company, you can use Fofoofo Imports. Just go on BuySellClub.org. If you are also new to mini importation, in BuySellClub.org, your membership, you can just join the membership. Membership in your levels, your executive near the normal membership, which me are joining and get a lot of benefits from us. I'll quickly jump on the PC and share these 10 winning products you can buy and sell during the Christmas season in Ghana. Menko Bibia. Okay guys, and see our number one winning product, a family Christmas pajamas set. Unse do festive season and especially Christmas, and most family comes together. Ebia na ninkola ko school omo nyina makwan oma befie. Sa papa no cry busier like oma befie. Like most families come together during Christmas. Into this family Christmas pajamas set, a koye pa, honestly speaking, there's a lot you can buy. Guys, I'm using Alibaba for the example, but you're not interested, you have to go on Alibaba and buy. You can go on 1688, you can go Pindodo, any app you feel set you are comfortable with, you can go there and buy this sort of products. Yeah, into family Christmas pajamas set, a koye pa, most people will be taking a lot of photos during Christmas. Social media, that romantic. And so this is my number one. My number two, Christmas packaging. Because it drew Christmas and a month for a bedding, able to talk a lot of gift sets. Into when it's during Christmas, a month for being here packaging. Yeah, into where just empty bag, a month for the amount for what they call it, presents, ebetum. This product goes a lot. We'll be on Kanchura, Kwame Chumisi, Kachorene. So this product sells a lot. And if you can buy different Christmas packaging bags, You also make a lot of profit from it. Product number 3. Yeah, say edu Christmas will be a percent them yefe. Yeah, and so we have this I said lighting curtains. Your friend USB fairy light. Yeah. Into ube to me to be saying it here. It comes with its USB and the rest. And to saying a product in it here. Okay, a little LED strips, a bit is curtains. Will be a percent dying, a muy fair, none dino as so colors during Christmas. And see these sort of products, coffee be ebeton during Christmas, people will buy a lot. You do Christmas, apart from someone for better knockout, everyone wants to decorate their house. Yeah, and see, this is another winning product. Now, number 4, yeah, you son that you play with a lot of bubbles. Yes, semine hura. Now, what do you call it? Yeah, we have something ring. Now for you who now bubbles APA. Now this will sell a lot for families or more kids. Now say if you have just the bubble way now yes now the good bubble gum gun. BT say then you give it to the kids. The kids will have a lot and a lot of fun with this. And so this is another winning product you can sell during Christmas because a fun thing to do. The kids will love it. They have different types. You'll be able to buy and what do you call it? Bring it to Ghana and sell. Yeah, and so you have the price. The actual price we is around 6 Ghana cities, 70 pesos to 37 Ghana cedis, 37 pesos. It now depend on how many you are buying. Minimum order quantity, 50 pieces. And to this product too, will sell a lot. Trust me. Yeah, the next on the list, we a small USB lights. Again, will be up a the fee a effect. Yeah, either so kamu, fee, your bedroom. You can put this in your office everywhere. It's just a USB. With the share USB socket one, that's it. A bed lighting up the whole place. When it's Christmas and I will be up a set if you there any kind of crowd say you can even connect it to your phone. The answer when your adapter yeah, from your I think USB type C, yeah, to your USB 3 adapter now they are shame into crowd phone crana bit me so light come. Yeah, very small, but this will sell a lot. You are looking around 4 Ghana cedis, yeah, to 6, 7 Ghana cedis per item. Okofa now better being a lot of them fast well. And away crowns they're very small. Until a lot will go in a small box until shipping fee crown on sheda into ahibia. Into that's winning products number 5. Now number 6, a year makeup sets for our ladies. Unse during Christmas, a month for a lot of product the charm month for. Into this makeup set, yeah, you can buy, yeah, and sell. I can't say this particular one, but anything a makeup set, yeah, people will appreciate you with the mama. So a beauty set box. We know what they might want for as a gift. And during Christmas, people will not even think they will buy because you do Christmas and then you check idea. Into anything makeup sets, anything gift sets, people will buy. You are looking around let's say 30 Ghana cedis to buy one. Okay, to buy one and what they call it, ship it to Ghana, add your profit and sell. This is another winning product. Now, winning product number 7. Again, this is like a USB by a LED USB speaker. Very portable. You can have this with your phone. Now with the APA, a lot of people will patronize. Trust me. Into again, will be to me to wake then Eddie chair will be. Especially ladies, you can buy this for your guys. And I'm more pair and you can buy this and take it with you. Which me I then help on you everywhere you go. Very portable. This sort of things, they are really easy to sell during Christmas and during the festive season. And this is another winning product you can buy and sell during Christmas. Even after Christmas, Chrono, you will still be able to buy and sell easily. Product number 8. Okay, we're perfume, what do you call it? Perfume set. But a DIY and a white label. One can submit to do your own branding. Atoso, no idea, no aton. Say na etie. Into when you see a gift you are giving to someone during Christmas and people will buy. A man for whom packaging no cry then a bet a che omo. Unse Ghana dear, so what ton dear your party efe. So ade na efe krana product no share the new juma krana they don't care. Say ade na efe nkwan it catches our attention. Sana Ghana for yet here. And if you can buy this product now, yeah, it's a perfume, nice perfume in a box for Wadofo during Christmas. They'll really, really appreciate you. It doesn't have to be this one, but say a perfume crana, a box mukama, obetumi the item Christmas present, Ediache Wadofo. Winning product number 8, weigh a portable fan. Products when you say Christmas on Kwana, yeah, then ubetumi then at home. Even after Christmas crano, ubetumi at home. A do Christmas and a month will be brave, a befie. When you say Ghana, so or show or you do Christmas one, and most people in the diaspora and so on, they come home until you can target ubetumi a craft. Now they are called Gina, what do you call it, somewhere around airports. More to coin mobile, you can sell it to them. And so no bet na mukra Akofia and Sikabesa crown, you can patronize and sell it to them. We will become marketer or be able to me to be. During Christmas, people will not even care. They will buy for their loved ones. Yeah, and they are very, very portable. Yeah, very, very portable. One, we know they actually see, by a funnel. They are very, very portable and it will sell easily. And most of our clients, they were buying this during last year Christmas. Yeah, you'll be looking around 37 Ghana cedis to buy one, okay, and ship it to Ghana, add your profit and sell. And a packaging is into your shipping cost, and share that and cost to and hibia. And last but not the least, a portable camera. For in color, we a nice gift with the mark color and any budget, because it comes with the paper film. Yeah, into with the shame color ni try photo na straight away na eyi amano. Yeah, into this like a gift set you can give to Akola. Because Akola, and yeah, Akola like baby. I think say anyone from like 5 years and above, they will appreciate this. Akola do Christmas up so what do you call it? Gift the papa and animami etomano. Yeah, it's if you buy something like this for them now, they'll really, really appreciate you. And that's my number 10. Okay. And if you guys want more, just comment in the comment section below. And Kwame Chumesi, I'll bring you more. And that's all, guys. And there are a lot of other products. And if you guys want me to do the video on other winning products you can buy from China, bring it to Ghana and sell during the Christmas season, just comment more products in the comment section below and I'll do a part 2 of this video for you guys. If you are looking for a reliable shipping agent to ship your goods from China to Ghana, make Fofoofo import amount. Just jump on BuySellClub.org and patronize our services. Ope Alipay exchanger, we can do it for you. But sell you are buying things from China to Ghana, we do everything for you. So jump on BuySellClub.org, become a member, and start learning in regards to how to start your mini importation business. Within the Kwame Chumesi, I'll see you guys in my next video. It's a bye for now.